Can you open the box from Grandma?
Mama.
You want Mommy to help you?
Here.
Go over it. Go over.
Mommy, do.
Yeah, Mommy will do it. Oh my goodness. All kinds of stuff.
Book.
A book? What book is it? That's not a book.
Mommy, read it.
Read what?
Mom, there.
You want to put it on the floor and look at it? See what we got? Wheels on the Bus?
Yeah.
That's your favorite book. What else is in there?
Wheels the Bus. Mommy, read it.
I'm going to read it. Can you look to see what else is in the box?
This book.
What's that?
What's that?
Oh, it looks like snacks.
Open. Mom, open.
See what else you got. See what else you got. What's on the cup? Elmo cups.
Mommy,
These stickers?
Mommy, wait. What's that?
I'll give you one next time you pee on the potty, okay?
Yes.
Uh-oh, Cole's trying to open your card.
Open the card.
Okay, you want to open the card from Grandma? Here.
Yeah.
What's that?
Baby Elmo.
Oh my goodness.
Open.
Yeah, open. Keep looking at everything and then we'll open everything, okay? What's that?
Flap.
Oh, it looks like a spider. Hold on, hold on. Oh, it's the Incy Wincy spider. That's Cole's favorite. I bet that's for you, Cole.
Did you want that?
Did you want that? I bet you that's for Cole too.
Did you want that?
Does Chase want that?
Yes.
I'm sure. Can you see what this is?
This is a card. Open card of Grandma. Open card of Grandma.
Mm-hmm.
Open card of Grandma.
Here, let me help you, Cole. Did you get it open, Chase? Keep opening it. Open the card.
Mom, open.
Okay, bring it over to Mommy. Oops. What's on there?
This one there.
Wow, thank you, Grandma. Look, and Grandma sent you animal crackers. Do you want one?
Yes.
Should we give Cole one? Here,
Yes.
Cole. Here's an animal cracker. What are you doing? Here. Here, Chase.
Okay.
Can you say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
And what about you? Can you say thank you? Chase, look, you got t-shirts too. What's on the t-shirt? Oh, what's that? A choo-choo train, and look at this. Who's that? Who's that in front of the choo-choo train?
Grandma?
Yeah, Grandma and who else?
Papa?
Grandma and Papa. Look at that choo-choo train.
What's that?
Oh, look, Cole found something else.
Mommy?
Go ahead.
Do you want that?
I think that's Cole's, baby.
Do
Do you want me to read you Wheels on the Bus?
that?
Do you want me to read Wheels on the Bus?
Yeah.
Okay. Say, look at the camera.
Mama.
Say thank you, Grandma and Papa.
Thank you, Grandma, Papa.
Say I love you.
Other.
Bye bye.
Bye.